Hi guys, I'm Anna and today I want to talk about the second type of advantages and disadvantages questions. Well, as you know, there are different task 2 questions in IELTS writing task 2 and advantages and disadvantages questions are very common. However, a very important point to notice is that all of the advantages and disadvantages questions are not the same. If you want to increase your writing score, you have to be aware of different types of these questions. We have provided a classification including 3 different categories of advantages and disadvantages questions. Type A, B, and C. Well, you may ask what is our criteria to provide a classification of these 3 questions. Well, if you remember about opinion essay questions and discussion essay questions, we take a look at controlling idea words to provide different types of those questions. However, regarding advantages and disadvantages questions, we have to take a look at question task. Today, I want to talk about the second or type B of advantages and disadvantages questions. Well, these questions include the main idea, and then in question tasks, there are some phrases. For example, do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Or for example, do the advantages or disadvantages outweigh? Or are the benefits or problems more significant? So the words outweigh or significant show that our task is the second type of advantages and disadvantages questions. Well, let's see a very famous example of type B advantages and disadvantages questions. Some people prefer traveling by private jets. Do the advantages of traveling by private jets outweigh the disadvantages? Well, as you can see, there's one main idea, traveling by private jet. So you have to say whether the advantages are more significant or the disadvantages. Let's count the advantages of traveling by private jet. Comfort, safety, speed, and luxury. So there are 4 advantages of traveling by a private jet. Now let's see the disadvantages of traveling by private jet. There's only one disadvantage, and that's the cost. Although there are 4 advantages of traveling by private jets, there is only one disadvantage of traveling by private jet. We say that the disadvantages of traveling by private jet outweigh their advantages. Why? Because the only problem of traveling by a private jet is very big and it's very significant, which actually stops all of the population, except for the very wealthy people, to travel by private jet. So we cannot ignore this disadvantage. We have written a book called IELTS Writing Task 2, The Miracle Maker. In this book, you can learn all about different types of advantages and disadvantages questions, and especially type B, which is very important. So now you know that if you see one advantages and disadvantages question, you have to pay attention to question task to identify the type and then provide a related response. Check this link, find our book, and know more about all of these questions. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.